Scientists calculate when an asteroid traveling at 50,000 miles an hour could impact our Earth. There are an estimated 1.1 to 1.9 million asteroids in our solar system's asteroid belt, a vast stretch of space rocks that sit between Mars and Jupiter. While many of them will, for their lives, pose little threat, sometimes their orbits can be changed by Jupiter's massive gravity and occasional encounters with Mars' gravitational pull. And these events can throw the asteroids from the main belt and send them hurtling out into space in all directions, and occasionally that direction is towards our Earth. Scientists around the world study such asteroids, including those at the Canary Islands Astrophysics Institute, IAC, and recently identified an object known as 2023 FY3. 2023 meaning was discovered 2023. A member of the cluster of asteroids, according to the data, 2023 FY3 is on a collision course for Earth and could, the scientists say, strike the planet in the next 100 years. Discovery in April 2023, researchers from IAC and the Universidad Complutense de Madrid, UCM, recently published their findings in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics. They found that while the asteroid size does not pose a major threat, its trajectory is similar to other asteroids traveling towards our Earth. The study, part of a long-term project led by IAC researcher Dr. Julia de Leon, hopes to discover more near-Earth objects in danger of colliding with our planet. We're particularly interested in asteroids between 100 meters to 1 kilometer. So 100 meters is 300 feet to 3,000 feet in size, which are the ones that could cause regional damage in the hypothetical event of an Earth impact, she said. And now that we know what the composition of its surface is like, we have a fairly accurate idea of its size. We know that it rotates rapidly, and this means that we can classify it as a possible fragment of a larger asteroid, and we also know that it has been subjected to an orbital resonance with our planet, explained Dr. Raul de la Fuentes Marcos, a researcher at the UCM. The asteroid measures 5 meters, and though this is relatively small for an asteroid, it does not take away from the fact that it is heading towards our Earth at considerable speed. And because of their distance from the Sun, the average velocity of asteroids hit out of an asteroid belt is between 17 and 25 kilometers per second. That's a staggering 38,000 to 56,000 miles per hour. 2023 FY3 was spotted during observations made on La Palma with the Gran Telescope Canarias, GTC. It's a powerful telescope with a large aperture capable of studying the smallest space rocks. Scientists studied the curvature of this asteroid from the Teide Observatory using the recently inaugurated 2-meter twin telescope, TTT, and it took them 2 months to analyze their findings before the data were released to the public. Dr. de la Fuentes Marcos said, "With these results, we have to draw the attention of the international scientific community to objects of intrinsic interest in the areas of planetary defense and the scientific and commercial exploitation of asteroids that are easily accessible from our planet. Of course, we have to protect our planet from impact." Now, 2023 FY3 is not the only asteroid on Earth's radar, and many are predicted to come within close proximity of our planet well before 100 years' time. Back in 2007, scientists spotted the 2007 FT3 floating through space, but soon lost its flight path and had not spotted it since. It's now what is known as a lost asteroid. According to NASA, it has a 0.00000096% or 1 in 10 million chance of striking our planet on March 3rd, 2030. The second estimate suggests that its probability of 1 in 1.5 million chance of striking our Earth October 5th, 2024. That's this year. Should either strike occur, 2007 FT3 has the potential to release the energy equivalent to detonation of 2.6 billion tons of TNT. And this is on Express UK by Joel Day and Maria Ortega. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.